Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to naturally control squash bugs in the garden. Here's a clip from the show. And I also want to share with you how we naturally control squash bugs. So we get them in this garden every year, and they winter over in wood piles, garden debris. They can hide just about anywhere. I've even seen one in the house. They emerge in the spring and will lay eggs on your squash plants about 4 weeks after your last average frost. And they will suck the sap out of the summer squash, winter squash, and pumpkins. So the eggs, which you can find on the undersides of the leaves and on the stems, will hatch about 10 days to 2 weeks after they're laid. And they will hatch into nymphs, and the nymphs will suck the juice out of the squash plants. So the nymphs will molt a few times until they are adults, and then this cycle starts all over again. So we like to disrupt this cycle at the egg and nymph stage. So for starters, we just hand pick the eggs and the adults and put them in a jar. And if you can't control them by hand picking, then you can use a few natural sprays. So at the nymph stage, we've had some success with the Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew. You want to spray it on the plants, especially the undersides of the leaves. And we do this twice a week if the population is really big, and once a week if the population is small. Doesn't really affect the eggs or the adults. You can also try safer soap, and you can try the evergreen pyrethrins on the nymphs. Now for several years we have run baby turkeys that are about 8 weeks old in our big winter squash patch, and we never saw another squash bug the entire season. So that might be something to play with, using some poultry to get the squash bugs. So I'll put a link in the description below for the safer soap, the evergreen pyrethrin, and the Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew if you want to find the exact brands that I use. So this clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 10. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.